Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use EverWebinar for automated webinars, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using EverWebinar for automated webinars, once your account is set up, log in to the EverWebinar dashboard. Click on the Create New Webinar button to begin the setup process. You'll need to choose a name for your webinar that clearly reflects its content. Next, select the type of webinar you want to create, either live or pre-recorded. After that, you'll specify your webinar's date and time. In the Setup section, input all necessary details, such as the webinar description and presentation format. You can customize registration options by choosing how attendees will sign up for your webinar. Next, add your branding elements to the webinar page, like your logo and color scheme. Now, proceed to the Email Notifications section to set up automated reminders for your attendees. Customize messages for registration confirmations, reminders, and follow-up emails. Once you've completed the notifications setup, move to the Broadcast options. Here, you can select how you want to present your slides and video during the webinar. Upload any pre-recorded video files if you're using the pre-recorded option. It's also important to set up your payment options if you plan to charge for the webinar. Next, review all your settings to ensure everything is correct before going live. When you're satisfied, click on the Save button to finalize your webinar setup. Now, you can promote your webinar link to attract attendees. Monitor your webinar statistics through the dashboard after your webinar concludes. This will help you understand viewer engagement and make improvements for future webinars. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.